Hey guys, welcome. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make an oyster cocktail that looks like this. So first you guys will be needing a bottle of tequila, a bottle of hot sauce, and grounded down pepper. So what you do is you grab your shot glass first, put your tequila in the shot glass, just like that. Take some of your hot sauce, you throw a few drops of hot sauce in there. Then you take your grounded down pepper, throw that on top. You take your stirring stick, mix that up a bit. There you go, that's your oyster shot. Come back tomorrow for another tutorial.